Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change language on Netflix. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If there is, just go ahead and do it so you can catch up with the newest updates. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, open the Netflix app, and then go to the profile selection screen, and then go to the profile that you want to edit. And then select the edit icon, and you're gonna be able to see the language, your name, even your avatar icon. You're gonna be able to see it. Let me demonstrate on how it's done. You're gonna be able to see just like this, right? And you're gonna be able to change your name, change your picture, and then change the language to the languages that you actually prefer on your Netflix device. And basically once you reset it, your Netflix account will be that specific language. The setting will not apply on the other accounts, only yours. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.